Outbreak. Health Minister declares dengue cases rising in excess of normal expectations. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, not true. Cornwall Regional refutes claim it's in a deplorable state.
Where is the money? Duns River audit finds multi-million-dollar gap between collections and what's recorded in official system.
Boots still on the ground. A curfew declared in sections of Spanish Town as state of emergency comes to an end.
Search of Coast Guard ends efforts to find body of a man who drowned off St. Elizabeth on Monday.
And in business news, come claim your millions. Supreme Ventures appeals to lotto winners to come forward.
There's also sports commentary and weather in the primetime package. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on the misappropriation of funds uncovered at Duns River Falls?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.